Hey everyone, welcome to Crypto Weeklies. My name is Josh, and today I'll be discussing about altcoin versus Bitcoin market cap, and I'll be conducting a forecast of whether altcoins uh, versus Bitcoin market cap, which market cap has more to gain or lose in the coming days, starting from June of 2023 to January 2024. And by market cap, I have used the metric from TradingView, the total three market, which is the ticker for everything in crypto, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. And I have divided the market cap of all altcoins by Bitcoin's market cap. And this is the chart that you're seeing. This is incorporated from TradingView. And right now, the total three divided by Bitcoin is at 0.55, and not too long ago this ratio was at 1. That means that the total market cap for all altcoins was similar to or exactly same as Bitcoin's market cap, but in early part of late part of 2022, which is kind of like the depth of the bear market, and at that time the both altcoins and Bitcoin had a similar market cap together. But ever since 2023, we have seen that altcoins market cap has essentially halved, is half of what Bitcoin's market cap is. Around Bitcoin's market cap is around 580 or 590 billions, whereas all altcoins, that is everything apart from Bitcoin and Ethereum, is around 300 billion. So that is like almost half of where Bitcoin alone is at. So coming to the AI based forecast for these market cap journey till 2024, this is helpful in determining whether like for potentially for investing, whether altcoins or Bitcoin, which of the two has more to gain or lose in the coming days. So this historical chart that I've created on the screen is at a monthly level, and this is monthly alts versus alts by Bitcoin market cap. And whenever this market cap was kind of close to 1, you could see that the Z score, which is a metric in terms of how is the current month's market cap relative to the entire time series from 2017 to 2023, if it's overvalued or undervalued. Whenever the market cap has been overvalued, the color code associated with it is dark red, whereas for undervaluation phases, the color code associated is dark green. And I have divided it into essentially two cycles, one from November 2017 till end of 2018, and from 2019 to the current cycle in 2023. So you can see that in the bottom for this valuation was in December of 2020, almost 3 years, almost 3 to 4 years, 3 to 4 months before Bitcoin's halving in 2020, and the valuation was at 0.28. That is like the altcoin market was 28% of Bitcoin's market cap, you could say that, and the Z score associated with it was negative 1.45. So, from that low point in December 2020, the altcoins have traded positively. The market coin of altcoins together has traded positively with respect to Bitcoin till October of 2022, where the valuation was kind of at its peak, where all the altcoins together had essentially the same valuation that Bitcoin had, and the valuation was 1.008, as in like the market cap for all altcoins was higher than Bitcoin's market cap, and the Z score associated with it was 1.5. And this is the latest cycle that we are speaking about. It had a higher high in December 2017, but that is another cycle. So ever since the October of 2022, this altcoin to Bitcoin market cap ratio has been in a steep decline, and the Z score right now, although is negative, it hasn't been as negative as it was in before the cycle resetted with a valuation of 57. Right now the valuation is around 60, that is 60%, and um, although this pair had further to fall before a bull run, the before the rally by Bitcoin, or you can say that the bull run in 2020, the highest, the lowest point for the valuation in terms of altcoin was at 30%. So we are at 60% of market cap. The altcoins are at 60% market cap of Bitcoin, whereas in 2019 they were at 30% at some point, which you can say that there are evidences that 2019, or which is kind of like a pre-halving year, could behave similar to like 2023 could behave some similar to 2019. But rather than having an opinion, what I have done is created a forecast using AI for this market cap pair. So let's focus on where we are right now. We are at a relatively low z-score, but if you have followed each individual altcoin on this channel that I've covered, most of them have a z-score of negative 0.5 to 0.50 to negative 0.85. But this particular aggregator is not at that z-score valuation. One might ask, why is that? One reason for that could be stable coins, and they not having that kind of a decline in the valuation, because they almost have been constant at on and around $1 US dollar range, and in terms of market cap they have declined, but not to the point that proportionate to other altcoins which are not stable coins. So that's where there is one reason for that higher z-score compared to individual alts that I have covered on this channel. Nonetheless, I have used AI technique, ARIMA technique, to forecast the market cap ratio for altcoins vis-a-vis Bitcoin from June till January of 2023. I'll start covering those forecasts now. And this is not financial advice, this is just use of historical data to forecast what this altcoins and Bitcoin could perform in future. So for June, as you see on this chart, the forecasted monthly average is for this ratio is at 54%, and if you track on TradingView the chart that I've shown, we are not too far from this. We are at 0.55 or 55%. And for this particular chart, the data that this AI model had was till May of 2023. So it has done a fairly decent job up until now to forecast what June could do in terms of forecasted market cap ratio. For July, the forecasted, this is the base case scenario. So base forecast for July in terms of market cap is Bitcoin altcoins to have 52% of Bitcoin's market cap, and because Bitcoin's market cap is also a moving target, dealing with ratios is kind of keeps us honest, because if you pair everything in terms of Bitcoin, you could have a better understanding of what is happening in the crypto market overall. So in August, the ratio or the percent of altcoin in terms of Bitcoin's market cap is altcoins to have 49% of Bitcoin's market cap, valuation at 49% of Bitcoin's market cap, and in September is 48%. In October, this model has forecasted its steepest decline, and alts to have capitulation and have only about 38% of Bitcoin's market cap. And it can happen in two ways: if Bitcoin's market cap increases by a lot and alts fail to keep pace with that, or Bitcoin crashes a little and altcoins crash a lot in the month of October, that can also move this ratio further down. So in November, although the story has been forecasted to change to around alts to have back around 50% of Bitcoin's market cap. In December, the forecasted percent market cap for alts is almost 40% of Bitcoin's market cap, and for January it's 48%. So the trajectory is kind of short or small decline till August, till September, steep decline in October, rally in November, decline again in December, and rally back in lower high back in January. So that is that is what AI has forecasted for this market cap pair using historical data. I have shown you this current valuation. So the second scenario that I want to discuss is the bullish case for the altcoin Bitcoin market cap pair, and this is kind of like a theoretical ceiling if in case the base case deviates by some percentage, or if there is a bullish narrative for altcoins compared to Bitcoin, which right now doesn't seem likely, but nonetheless it's very good idea to cover all the bases, cover all the possible scenarios for this pair, and the bullish case scenario forecasts for the month of June is 57% for altcoins to have 57% of Bitcoin's market cap. For July it's 55% almost. For August it's 52%. For September it's 50%. Again, for October it's the steepest decline in 41% of Bitcoin's market cap. For November 53%. For December 43%, alts to have 43% of Bitcoin's market cap, and for January it's 52%, alts to have 52% of Bitcoin's market cap. So this is the bullish case scenario, and you could say that there is the base case scenario and bullish case scenario only deviate or have a bandwidth or width of 3%. So this is the third scenario that I would like to discuss is the bearish case for altcoins in terms of their market cap against Bitcoin, and this assumes that there is a macro downturn or there is a bearish bias for risk assets or macro outlook in general, and in that case this particular forecast chart would provide like a theoretical floor, as in how low can the altcoin market cap go against Bitcoin in case of a bearish outlook. For the month of June, the theoretical floor was at 43%, alts to have 43% of Bitcoin's market cap. For July it's 41%, for August it's 38%, for September it's 37%, for October it's actually 27%. And you might find that this is too bearish, but we were not too far away from that valuation in December of 2020, where alts had only about 28% of Bitcoin's market cap, and that was pretty much 3 to 5 months before Bitcoin's halving. And because for this market future market cycle in 2024, the halving is scheduled to be in April of 2024, which is like 1 month early than the past cycle. This is not too alarming or too dissimilar from what we have seen so far, at least what AI has seen so far in terms of its forecast capability. In November, though, the theoretical floor for altcoins against Bitcoin is about 40%. Altcoin could hold 40% of Bitcoin's market cap. We valued at that level. For December, it's around 30%, altcoins to have 30% valuation compared to Bitcoin's market cap, and for January it's at 38%. So I hope I have done a fair job in covering all the three possible scenarios for altcoins in terms of Bitcoin's market cap, and hope this information has been helpful to you. If it is the case, then please give us a like or subscribe to our channel, and also do check out the other pairs or particular altcoin that I have covered on this channel using the channel description, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye bye and have a nice day.